Have you ever wondered about the journey a new medicine takes from a research lab to helping patients like you? It is an incredible process, and one of the most common questions people have is about the timeline. So, what factors influence clinical trial length? Clinical trial length is primarily influenced by the trial phase, the complexity of the disease being studied, the number of participants needed, and the time required to observe a treatment's effects and safety. These elements work together to determine how long a trial might last. The journey of a new treatment involves several stages, known as clinical trial phases. Phase 1 trials, which focus on safety in a small group, are generally shorter, often lasting just a few months. Phase 2 trials, exploring effectiveness and side effects in a larger group, can extend for several months to a couple of years. Phase 3 trials are the longest, often spanning several years, as they involve hundreds or thousands of participants to confirm effectiveness, monitor side effects, and compare the new treatment to existing ones. The nature of the disease itself plays a huge role. For rapidly progressing conditions, outcomes might be seen more quickly, while treatments for chronic diseases or preventative measures requiring much longer observation periods to assess their true impact. Additionally, finding and enrolling enough eligible participants can take time, especially for rare diseases, and the overall trial design, including the number of visits and tests, also shapes the timeline. Finally, every new treatment undergoes rigorous review by regulatory bodies before it can be approved, and this process also contributes to the overall length of bringing a new therapy to patients. Understanding these elements can help you better prepare if you are considering joining a trial. When discussing a potential trial with your doctor, ask about the estimated duration, the time commitment involved for visits, and what happens at the end of the study. This helps manage expectations and plan your participation effectively. You might hear the term primary endpoint, which refers to the main goal researchers are trying to achieve and measure in a trial. For example, if a trial aims to lower blood pressure, the primary endpoint might be a specific reduction within a set timeframe. Another important aspect is data lock, which is the point when all data collection stops and the information is analyzed, a crucial step before results can be published or submitted for approval. Knowing these factors empowers you to approach clinical trials with a clearer understanding of the commitment involved and the meticulous process behind developing new therapies. This insight helps you participate confidently and plan for the future.